Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal International School, Day Shift. Dear student, today we look to our lecture number 24 and HW number 23, and our topic is exercise 5, question number 34. Exercise 5, question number 34. Dear student, you see the exercise 5, question number 34, page number 132. Page number 132. This is the creative questions, and this is the very important creative questions. You see, the length of a rectangular flower garden is 2 meters more than its breadth. That means breadth is smaller and the length is greater. Now, a number question, if the breadth of the garden is x meter, that means you see there is given, information is given, you have to consider breadth of the garden is x meter. Then find its perimeter in terms of x. Okay, that means you have to express its perimeter so that there will be remain x. Now, B number question, if the perimeter of the garden is 36 meter, that means this information is given. What is its breadth? That means here is given the perimeter. Using this information, you have to determine its breadth. Now, C number question. It cost 322. Now, it cost 320 taka to clean the garden. That means to cleaning the garden, it cost 320 taka. What now question? What will be the cost to clean per square meter? That means what will be the cost to clean 1 square meter? Okay, this is our questions. Now, step by step I will solve. At first you see the question number A. You see the question number A. If the breadth of the garden is x meter, that means given, look, you write here, given breadth of the garden, breadth of the garden is x meter. Okay, breadth of the garden is x meter. Therefore, length of the garden is, you look, the length of the garden is 2 meters more than breadth. That means length of the garden is x plus 2 meter. Okay, what is our question? Question is find its perimeter in terms of x. Okay, we know perimeter of rectangle. We know perimeter of rectangle is what? 2 into length plus breadth. Into length plus breadth unit. Okay, therefore we can write perimeter of the garden perimeter of the garden is what? 2, this is the formula, 2 into length. Length is what? X plus 2. Right here x plus 2, and breadth. Breadth is what? Breadth is only what? X. Right here x. Okay. Write the unit. Unit means here meter. Okay. As the question say, find its perimeter in terms of x. So I have written the according to the question. The result is perimeter of the garden is in terms of x. You see, all are x. Okay. Now you write the answer. Answer 2 into x plus 2 plus x meter. Okay. A number finish. Now I will solve B number question. You see the B number question. Now see, if the perimeter of the garden is 36 meter, what is its breadth? Now write from A we get, what we get? We get perimeter of the garden is, perimeter of the garden is 2 into x plus 2 plus x meter. Okay, we have got from A. Now you see the given information is perimeter of the garden is 36 meter. Right here, given perimeter of the garden is, perimeter of the garden is 36 meter. Perimeter of the garden is 36 meter. Dear students, sometimes you may confuse here. Look, this is the perimeter of the garden is in terms of x, and this is the perimeter of the garden. This is given in the questions. So you see, this perimeter and this perimeter are the equivalent. Okay, so this perimeter and this perimeter are equivalent. For this reason we can write as per question right here, as per question 2 into x plus 2 plus x equal to what? Equal to 36. Okay. Now we have to multiply 2 into x, that means 2x, 2 to jar 4 plus 2 into x, that means 2x equal to 36. Okay. Now you see 2x plus 2x, this 2x plus this 2x equal to 4x plus 4 plus 4 equal to 36. Okay. Dear student, now you see this is the 4 and this is the constant term, so you subtract 4 from the both side. Okay, so you have to write here subtracting 4 from the both sides. Right here, or 4x plus 4 minus 4 equal to 36 minus 4. Right here, subtracting 4 from the both sides. Okay. Now we got 4x plus 4. You see plus 4 and minus 4, they are vanish. 36 minus 4, this is equal to what? Is equal to 32. Is equal to what? 32. Okay. Now we have to go the here. Look, we have got 4x equal to 32. Okay. Now you see here x is the variable and 4 is the coefficient. Yes. So you have to divide the both sides by 4. Okay. Or we write 4x by 4 equal to 32 by 4. Okay. Now you see 4 vanish. You divide 32 by 4, then you get 8. Okay. Now right here dividing 4 on both sides. Okay. You see the question, if the perimeter of the garden is 36 meter, what is its breadth? That means we consider or assume that or given that breadth of the garden is x meter. So you have got x equal to 8 meter. So x equal to 8 meter. This is the breadth. Now write, therefore breadth, you see the spelling B-R-E-A-D-T-H, okay? Don't forget this. Breadth of the garden is 8 meter. Okay? And this is the answer. Right here answer 8 meter. Now I will solve question number C. You see the question number C. It cost, now see the question number C. It cost 320 taka to clean the garden. It cost 320 taka to clean the garden. That means to clean the garden. That means at first we have to determine its area. That means you have to determine the area of the rectangular garden. And we know the area of the rectangular garden is length into breadth. You see, we have got here only the breadth. Okay, breadth is 8 meter. So we have to now determine the length of the garden. Okay, right here we have got from B. We have got from B breadth of the garden is 8 meter. Breadth of the garden is 8 meter. Okay? Therefore, length of the garden is 2 meter more. That means 8 plus 2 is equal to what? Is equal to 10 meter. This is equal to 10 meter. Just when you look here, we have got the breadth is 8 meter and the length is 10 meter. So we know area of rectangle is what? Length into width. Right here, length into width or breadth. As there is written breadth, so I have written breadth. Length into breadth. Breadth. What is its unit? Unit is here is square unit, and here unit means is square meter. As our unit here is meter, so our square area of rectangular its unit is square meter. Okay. Now, therefore write area of the rectangular garden is what? Length is 10 meter and breadth is 8 meter, right here 8, and its unit will be square meter. This means what? 10 into 8 equal to 80 square meter. Okay, you see, area of the rectangular garden is 10 into 8 equal to 80 square meter. Okay. Dear student, now we have to go again the question. You see the question number C. You see the question number. It cost 320 taka to clean the garden. That means for cleaning 80 square meter, we need 320 taka. Okay. That means for cleaning 80 square meter, it cost 320 taka. 320 taka. Now write. To clean 80 square meter, the cost is how much? 320 taka. Right, 320 taka. Okay. Per square meter means 1 square meter. So that to clean 1 square meter, the cost is what? 320 division 80 taka. This is equal to what? You divide 0, 0 finish, divide 32 by 8, then you get 4. Right here 4 taka. Okay. That means to clean 1 square meter, the cost is 4 taka. Okay. Now write the cost to clean per square meter is, right, the cost to clean per square meter is 4 taka. Okay, now write the answer 4 taka. Okay, dear student, I hope you understood. Now I will talk with you about our SW. You see SW number 23, topic chapter 5. That means this chapter. Page 117, example 10. Okay. This solution has given here. You see the solution has given here. Okay, dear student, your SN SW is very, very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your SW copy, you will get your CD marks, diary marks and SBA marks. You have to submit all of your SW copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM, and you collect these SW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these SW copies. Dear student, I hope you understood today's topics. You have to keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. You stay safe, stay well. See you again.